All right, gotta get power here. These are not convenient. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Wonder if I could just step over the fence. Oh, wow, that thing ain't not moving. Yep, that just happened, didn't it? Oh, it's snowing a little bit, raining a little bit. Hole. So that's what was important. Oh my gosh. No matter how neatly you keep your wires, they're just gonna bundle up. No doubt. These are some of the struggles. I'm just doing a simple job. Then you don't want to stab yourself with a drill. That thing hurts. It's kind of a dreary day today. Let's see. Just going over here. That's all I need. And then you do your traditional electrical knot here, so it doesn't really fall out on you. And then you get your drill. Hopefully this is angled right, and then I got the guiding hole here already. So let's see if we get down here in the muck. See that? I already drilled a pilot hole. Now I just need to cut this sucker out. It's gonna be loud. Ow! There we go. There we go. Man. All right, we're gonna hit the ventilation hole from the inside here. Holy moly, look at that. Just gotta get that top right there. I'm gonna move this pipe though. Sure. Electrical above my head. We don't have to film through that. I think we're, oh, there's wires. Oh, holy smokies, that hurts. Let's see. Oh, it poked me. Whew. Ow. Okay, I think maybe something keeping it from going. Let's see. Awesome. Woohoo! That's in. Oh man. All right, so we're putting the laundry wall drywall piece up, and I put all the things here. Whew. Yep, this is for the laundry room.
How do you get your sweaters?
Huh?
How do you get your sweaters?
Level. You okay?
I just have a bit stuck in here.
Oh, again?
Yeah. I tried a different pocket though.
Holy moly. Oh, here.
Is this gonna make the YouTube video?
Yep.
Ow, 101.
Hello.
How do you not stick a screw.
Hello, America.
Not stick a screw into your pocket.
Just a little tool belt malfunction.
Little.
Do you see it?
We need somebody with teeny fingers. Hey, let's use a screw to poke it. I guess the screwdriver works better.
Wow, that's way up in there. There it is.
You're my hero.
Hey. We'll do this one next. Yep. Oh, let me get that mic. Look at the back end of this guy. It hung on. Alright, let's see if my measurements are any worth anything. It won't be the first time I jacked it up. Oh, geez. You want me to screw it before we Dremel it?
Yeah.
Okay. That might fall through the wall, so don't get all rowdy.
This is a COVID song.
And another one down. There you go.
There we go.
Alright. That's all she wrote with that. I'll screw it in later. Unless you want to put a couple on the bottom.
Yeah, I just gonna hold it.
Alright.
Just from popping.
Yeah. Nice.
Look at that.
Not too bad.
cut this out.
And that's how that's done. All right, well, I just wanted to run through and show you what we did this weekend. Got the threshold up, got the ceiling up, and all the strips. This is the living room. This is what Mike did. He got the door finished. I know it looks way different. And got the ceiling completed in the living room. All the way around. And in the kitchen, all the way around. And then over here by the dining room area and above the window. It's good. We still have to do the inside of the windows. That'll be easy. But yeah, it looks good. Look at that. All coming together. And then got all the strips up. Got the hallway completed. So we go around here. So that's my magic right there. These little strips. And then we got the inside of the laundry and this closet right here, all the sides. So we just need to do the ceiling and the ducting. But yeah, that looks awesome. And then Randall finished this over here next to the room. And then he did finish the strip here. A lot of little complicated strips going in there, but it's completed. So this room is complete as far as drywall. We still have the closets to do, but yep. So just wanted to show you guys what we got done. And y'all saw this process and the other skits earlier in the video, but we'll be putting that piece up temporarily and hopefully getting an electrician in this week. But it looks really good. And then we'll be working on the storage area this week and the bathroom, and then just getting everything buttoned up. We made quite a bit of mess though. Holy smokies. You can see it's crazy down here. Hey papas! And the puppies in the video! Hello! So we got Lizzie and Mr. Darcy. Huh? Whoa, you're showing off with the camera. Hey baby, come here. Oh. So made quite a bit of mess, but it's a really good mess. Man, look at that. That's awesome. That is so cool how this is coming. Thanks everyone for helping me make it to 100 videos and 58 subscribers.